Well, here we go this morning, doing a lake test run on my latest Restore. It's a 1958 Johnson 18 horsepower FD-12 for Joel in North Carolina. And she's a beauty. Fully restored, top to bottom. Fully restored. Came to me without the emblem, so I found one to put on here. It's a decal, but it looks really good. So let's take her out and see how she runs this morning on Toledo Bend Lake. Here we go. Well, I'm out here running her. I'm gonna tell you what, you know, all my motors run good when I get through, but there's a difference between running good and running great. And this one runs great. It's a 10 plus. You know, these motors are 60 years old, so sometimes you just can't make them run any better than they're gonna run. You know, I do the best I can on every one. This motor right here, idle's down. So low, you've got to use the kill switch to kill it. It won't die. It just won't die. And that thing jumps out the hole. Oh my God. Jumps out the hole. 22 miles an hour. It's 22 miles an hour on my 14-foot feathercraft here. Superb. This is for Joel in North Carolina. Superb. Let's take it for a blast. Hold on to your hats. Here we go. That's pretty cool. I could ride all day long. Oh, I love what I do when it comes out good. Sometimes you have trials and tribulations, and when you make them run good, it's fun. She's a definite runner. I mean, great. All right, Joel, well, you got a winner here, buddy. I love what I do. I got about 10 more ahead of me to do. I hope they all come out this good. I enjoyed it. I enjoy what I do. See y'all next video. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's TMikesVintageOutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions, and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, tmikesvintage.boards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.